Hey everyone, Sarah here. I'm here today to talk to you about doing like my deep dive on my work area of my life. So if you haven't been watching, I've been doing a series on like organizing my life to remove the chaos because I've been out of all the routines basically. So I'm kind of getting back into it, and what better time than now to do that. I'm gonna focus on my family and friends, and if you haven't been watching, I did like a high-level mind map on myself and a radar map on the areas of my life which told me to focus on health and then family, and I'm on my third one, so it's work. So in the radar map I put work was okay, like I like work, everything's good, I don't have any like big struggles, but like I know I need to revamp my system because there's just been changes in my work. So I'm gonna break down and do a deep dive on my work area, and this is gonna be a little bit cryptic because it's work, obviously. So I'm gonna just do the deep dive, all the different areas of my life, and then brainstorm some ideas that I will then kind of break down even further to start figuring out how I can make some progress on them. So we're gonna get into the deep dive because this is like the foundation of my system. All right, so work. All right, so I have my team, and I have 3 team members, and then I have my projects, my goals, I have like admin, I have like growth. I think that's it. So the high level areas are like my team, I have 3 team members, my projects. So these are projects that I run. Like, so my team members have projects they run and I help kind of whatever they need, but like these are the ones that I'm responsible for. My goals, my admin stuff, and then growth. So if I go into my projects, I already kind of wrote down what I have. Like I have actually like 1 program, and then that has 3 projects coming off of it. What else? And then I have 8 projects, which these are all like a different level of effort required for me, different timelines. So this like looks like a lot, but it's fine. So it's like, so I'm gonna do to 8, and I'm not gonna name them out there, but they are anywhere from, I don't know, all over the company. So anyway, goals, well, those are all tied to here, so I probably don't need that. And then admin, I have like email, I know I have travel, expense reports, I don't know, something else. And then growth, like I know I want to learn more about finance, and then I want to finish the Miss Excel course. I don't know if that's really going to do much for me, and I know like I want to work on communications. This is like the different levels here. Oh, and then like each of my team members have a projects, and then they have growth, admin. So just kind of like 3. So then projects will be P1, P2, and then so on. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so let me just walk you through. I'll zoom in. Okay. Admin, email, travel, expenses, projects. I have a program which has 3 projects under it, and then I have 8 additional projects, and these are like for the year. So like some are done, some I've started, some are not yet. My team, I have 3 team members. They have projects, they have growth goals, and then whatever like administration that I need to manage with them. Oh, I want to put one-on-ones on here. Okay. Some of the growth opportunities that I want to work on this year: finance, Excel, and then like communications. Just things to like improve upon. So I did brainstorm some ideas around like things to improve upon, and I wrote them down, and I don't know what they look like until I kind of go into the next stage where I actually start to evaluate them to see like what I can fit in versus like it's big, hairy, audacious goal. Like I just can't do everything all at once, unfortunately. I know for my growth I want to like do better communications, and that's just like the written word or presentations. Maybe stop saying so. I know I want to revamp like my project management system, and I just want to revamp my whole like system altogether anyway. That's kind of what it is. I know I want to revamp my expense report system, and then finish my Miss Excel course, and then I was considering taking like some finance stuff, but not till next year probably. I don't know, we'll see. So these are like some areas that I would like to focus on like for the remainder of the year. Just make some progress too. Like, I don't know, like it's not gonna be a huge thing because I want to be balanced. I'm feeling very off balance. So anyway, so the next video I'm going to take these ideas and then break them down a little bit more granular, and start to like evaluate like how much I can take on along with everything else. Should only have so much time of the day. All right, this is Editing Sarah here. I know I'm showing you really nothing here, but I did do a mind map in Microsoft Whiteboard, and you'll see this more in Plan With Me's, but it's more just self-accountability. Thank you all for understanding. All right, gang, a little bit of a sneak preview here. This is a future video, but this is where I have kind of mapped out with more granularity around things that I want to focus on for work. And these are on top of like my yearly objectives. So these are personal growth or just things to make my life easier at work. So I will continue to break these down into actionable steps, but these are the things I'm tackling. And in future videos, I will talk about how I'm evaluating the effort so I know how much I can take on. And yeah, so that's a little bit of a sneak preview, but there'll be a whole different video on this. So thank you all. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.